Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. Today is day 10, and we will talk about one of the common mistakes that families make on the FAFSA, and that is entering incorrect information. So we've got a sample student here named Curious Little George. Who remembers Curious George? He was one of my favorites. Well, when Curious Little George enters his information on the FAFSA, he may also have tax filing documents or other supporting documents for accounts and other items. And it's going to be very important that all of the information matches. Also, the Social Security number. Quite often, these items mismatch just because of small errors, like maybe transposing numbers or using an initial on one document where you spell out the middle name fully on another document, or a typo in the address, the mailing address, or the zip code may be incorrect. So every little thing that's in error could cause the FAFSA to get kicked back, resulting in processing delays for the family, and we don't want that. So mistakes definitely cost time and money. So when the family completes the FAFSA, just be sure that everything is checked, checked, and rechecked so that we avoid processing delays. So that concludes day 10. Please remember to like, share, invite others to join us for a countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. And we will see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.